Hello, good morning, good afternoon and good evening, and welcome back to another video where I'm outside of my house here in between Poplar and West India Quay on the DLR. I call the Bermuda Triangle of the DLR, should call it something else. If you're travelling from West Ferry, the trains to Woolwich Arsenal via London City Airport will call at Poplar, also trains to Beckton, but if you're travelling to Lewisham trains will skip West India Quay and go straight to Canary Wharf. If you're travelling from Poplar, trains from Stratford to Canary Wharf will call at West India Quay and then a short ride to Canary Wharf. Trains to Bank will skip Canary Wharf and West India Quay. Same for trains going to Tower Gateway. Right now I'm hunting for the B23 stock. I just want to find out what lines that's the B23 stock ride on. I had to check on my laptop to see which lines the B23 trains rides on, and it seems that from the videos that I've seen, I haven't watched them, I don't want to spoil the surprise, but I checked out the titles and it seems that they ride on the Beckton to Stratford International, the Stratford International line to Woolwich. I think that's the Stratford to Woolwich line more than the other lines. I do this thing where when I'm under a bridge, I say railways. Oh, it's not loud enough, but it's nice to be under a bridge and hear the rumble, the grunt, or the roar of a DLR train. I've got some of that noise that I've captured just for you. Currently walking to Poplar DLR station, and I'm walking it by a highway. It is some sort of highway. I love being around highways. It's because the noises of the cars, the vehicles that just pass through at speed on the highways, and the noise of it is just absolutely, I can't find the word, it's satisfying. Like you're watching a satisfying compilation on TikTok and you hear those satisfying noises, and I just, that's the beauty of highways to me. I forgot that there is a DLR garage by Poplar Station. There is no new B23 stock trains. I'm going to travel to Canary Wharf, Canning Town, and find the B23 stock. Currently at Canning Town, where there are two levels for two different DLR lines. One that will get you to London and the other that will get you into Stratford. I've waited for the new B23 stock, which came along but it didn't come in service, but it's being tested. So that's my hunt complete. I'm hoping to get a B23 stock train to ride on for a short time before I make it to my theatre workshop that I have this evening. It's an exciting time just to see a B23 stock train in person being tested, but it'd be much better to be on it, on board, and experience what it's like to ride on a B23 stock.
Between West Ham and Woolwich Arsenal, and in addition, on Sunday the 12th of October, no services between Tower Gateway and Sheffield. Replacing those services. CCTV is in operation on all DLR trains and stations for your security. Also, customers are reminded to keep the
I managed to ride the B23 stock train on the DLR one stop from Canning Town to West Silvertown. I have to say, walking through the carriages, I have to say, first of all, nice to see live travel information on the DLR trains. I wasn't able to get the other live travel information screens which show where you are on the DLR and on the service, which is amazing. Walking through the carriages, I feel like the space is kind of close to being tight, but it's nice. The seats are beautiful, the inside is beautiful. They got the boom before the doors close, which is amazing, and they got that when the class 720 and the class 345, actually class 710s of the London Overground trains before they leave, when they leave, they got that release that pressure, you hear that, the noise that I've mentioned. It's the upgrade of the old one stop.